Hi everyone, this is Marta from Foodaciously, and today we show you how to make these delicious vegan passion fruit bars. They're so good! Let's get started! Let's start by adding cashew butter and maple syrup to a pot. Simmer at low temperature while stirring. As soon as the mixture boils, give a last stir and turn off the heat. Next, add this blend to the oats, together with chopped roast cashews, and mix all into a nice dough. Now get a tray, grease it, and line it with baking paper, like this. Next, press the dough into the tray as firmly as you can. Okay, now let's put this aside and let's make the vegan passion fruit curd. Extract the juice from the passion fruits using a sieve and discard the seeds. Next, add coconut milk to a pot with maple syrup and starch. Then simmer and stir until the curd base gets thick. Finally, add in the passion fruit juice and give a last stir. Now, spread the vegan passion fruit curd onto the slab and top it off with some crunchy granola. Finally, let the slab cool down in the fridge before slicing it into bars. All done! We hope you enjoy these delicious vegan passion fruit bars. They're fudgy, creamy and crispy on top. Absolutely fantastic! Please subscribe for more healthy videos and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!